Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a gorgeous 5 bedroom, 4 bathroom, two-story home for sale. It comes with separate entrances. This fully grilled, fully fenced, aesthetically designed upscale beauty is all you need for comfortable and stylish living. It can be a two-family home. Downstairs is comprised of 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living and dining rooms, kitchen and separate enclosed laundry rooms. Upstairs includes 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living and dining, and kitchen. The furnishings are modern and attractive. Inbuilt closets, ceiling fans, AC units, solar water heater, water tanks, paved decorative tiles, separate electronic covered garage, and automated gate are adorable features of the home. Come away from the hustle and bustle of the city to the quiet community of Vineyards Estate in St. Catherine, which is home to professionals and business owners. You can't afford to miss this opportunity. Call today for further details. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 40 million or US, $253,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.